to this quick start tutorial for Formula Manager for Excel. This is what you see when Formula Manager for Excel launches for the first time. The first page shows brief instructions on how to get started. Go to the Purchase/Support tab. This page shows the Microsoft Store Edition. If you are using the Marketplace Edition designed for enterprises, you see an additional button, Change Account, which allows you to change the licensed account. Make sure the licensing status shows subscribed. If not, click the Subscribe button to subscribe and begin your free trial. Open your workbook file. In this sample, we use the invoice.xlsx file taken from our Invoice Manager program. Go to the Formula Manager ribbon tab. It contains two main groups, Batch Tools and Advanced. To name a group of cells quickly, you first select the cells on the worksheet and then click New Names. Fill in your name pattern, say Test Name. Fill in other options as needed. Click Add Names. To delete some names, click Delete Names on the ribbon. In the search bar, enter text such as Test Name. Press Enter. It shows the names that contain your text. Check the boxes for the names you want to delete. Click Delete Selected Names and Formulas to delete the selected names and formulas. The Localize Names and Globalize Names commands on the ribbon allow you to easily change the scope of the names. Let's see an example. By default, the Aucontaxable_1 name is defined as a global name. Let's change its scope to the Invoice worksheet. First, click to open the Localize Names window. Search for the Aucontaxable_1 name. Change the scope to the Invoice worksheet. Click the Localize button. Now, assume you want to make a name workbook-wide. First, click Globalize Names on the ribbon. It shows all the non-global names. Check the names that you want to make global, and then click Globalize. As you can see, the name is now global again. The commands in the Advanced group offer more tools that help you to understand the relationship between names and formulas and the tools to export and import names and formulas. Please visit our website at uniformsoftware.com to learn more. You are welcome to download and try the fully functional trial version to see how it works.